Let's
Hello
go.
everyone, this is Ina with Inichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. I'm not in my kitchen at the moment, as you see. It's campground and we're making pancakes and I have beautiful duck eggs on Matrona. Pinch of soda, about this much, 1 teaspoon. I need some salt. About 1 teaspoon and little sugar. I don't have sugar, but I have honey, and that helps to make them more beautiful and brown. Nice brown butter. I want to drink coffee while I'm waiting for cooking this pancakes.